Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if Instagram not setting you a verification code, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you're using mobile data, just turn off mobile data and turn on again. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just restart your phone. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also try another way. So just you can try to check updates for your iOS version. So just go to the general. In the general you need to find software update, and if you see here available updates, just download and install them on your iPhone. And if it doesn't help you, if you have another device, just try to log in into another device from your phone and just try to get verification code on another device. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.